How to fix Google Chrome app as default browser on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chrome app as default browser on Android phone. First, just open settings and here go to apps. Here we'll find it, click on it, and here we'll find defaults apps, and if you can't find it here, just type here default apps and then click on it, and here you need to find the browser app and then click on it, and here just select any browser you want, and that's it, and then select Chrome, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. And then just if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again, and you will find Google Chrome as default browser. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.